Mamledar of Sanguem Taluka on 20th September 2022 at around 3:30 p.m. I, along with my flying squad members, that is Assistant Geologist, Mines Department, Sanguem, had conducted raid at Muguli village and also at Rivona village in Sanguem Taluka. At Muguli village, there was no illegal extraction of laterite stone in force. However, we have directed the police inspector of the concerned police station to depute his police personnel at the said site and to keep strict vigil in the said area to prohibit illegal extraction of laterite stone in Sanguem Taluka. We had again conducted inspection sumoto at Rivona, and Rivona there was large-scale extraction of laterite stone, and there was one power tiller which was kept in the vicinity of the said site, and that the flying squad had seized. And we have handed over the power tiller to the concerned police station, that is Cape police station, and I have directed the police inspector, Cape police station, to take stringent action against the miscreants who are involved in illegal extraction of laterite stones in Sanguem Taluka. Here, as per the directions of Honorable High Court, this flying squad now has been constituted, and flying squad comprises of the concerned Taluka Mamledar and Assistant Geologist of Mines Department, and also the field surveyor of the concerned Taluka Mamledar office, and PWD engineers and all. And the in charge of this flying squad is the Taluka Mamledar. So High Court has given directions to the Taluka Mamledar to take sumoto actions, and also if any complaints are received, then we have to dispose the case, that complaint, within 48 hours. So right now we are conducting inspections of all sites in Sanguem Taluka as far as laterite bodies are concerned, and even sand extraction sites, and we are taking stringent action against the miscreants who are found indulging in this illegal activity, because this is causing loss to the government exchequer.
Any complaints came before you visited place?
Yes, one complaint was received by us from Mines Department, and pursuant to that complaint we had conducted inspection, and also sumoto we have taken action of other laterite stones. We are just not waiting for complaints. Sumoto also actions we are initiated against these illegalities.
माझं नाव जर्विस फेर्नांडीस. हांवें मायनिंग डिपार्टमेंटा कडल्यान थोडे RTIची इन्फॉर्मेशन मागिल्लें सर्टन स्पेसिफीक लेटरायट स्टोन, इलिगल लेटरायट स्टोन क्वॉरी चलताली ते प्रॉपर्टीन रुमाल्दो फेर्नांडीस हो सांगे म्युनिसिपालिटीचो कावन्सिलर, हेजे प्रॉपर्टीन जे कितें इलिगल लेटरायट स्टोन क्वॉरी चलताली तेजे बद्दल हांवें इन्फॉर्मेशन मागिल्लें, आनी मायनिंग डिपार्टमेंटान म्हाका RTIचेर रिप्लाय दिल्लो की तेतून कसलेंच लीज ताका ग्रांट करूं ना म्हणून. सो त्या बाबतीन हांवें हायकोर्टाची ऑर्डर लावन तेजेर कंप्लेंट घातली, आनी त्या बाबतीन मायनिंग डिपार्टमेंटान अलॉंग विथ फ्लायिंग स्क्वॉड टीम ऑफ मामलेदार हेंच्यांनी इन्स्पेक्शन करून तांकां थंयसर ते पिट्स मेळ्ळे. आयज म्हाका हें फ्लायिंग मामलेदारा कडेन इन्फॉर्मेशन मेळ्ळां की थंय पिट्स तांकां फावंड मेळ्ळ्या म्हणून, आनी ते बाबतीन हांव आतां सरकारा कडेन मागता, मायनिंग डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन मागता, जितलें लॉस गव्हर्मेंटाक हे लेटरायट स्टोन, इलिगल लेटरायट स्टोन क्वॉरी वयल्यान जालां तें तुमी तेजे कडल्यान रिकवर करचें, कारण हो मनीस खंयच्यानूय एक दबाव हाडून तें होल्ड करून दवरूंक शकता, पूण गव्हर्मेंटान हेजेर कोणाचो दबाव येवची न्हू. मायनिंग डिपार्टमेंटान कसले दबाव येनासतना हेजेर व्हॅल्युएशन करून ही जी रिकवरी आहा ती सिस्टमॅटिकली करची म्हणून हांव मागतां.